Hi, hello friends, welcome to our skill courses channel. In today's video, we will discuss about how to create logo in Corridor. So let's begin. Okay guys, so welcome to our this session today. So in this video, we will discuss our new logos. So we can go to our next logo. First logo we'll discuss our Airtel logo, then Jio logo, then Vodafone Idea logo, then Idea logo. These types of logos we are made in first tutorial. So right now we discuss our new logos and new themes and new interfaces of these new logos. So we go to this circle ellipse tool and I will click here. You can draw like that. First when you click here, you can draw like that any kind of circle like this. You cannot get proper circle. So you should press the control key and take this like that. Okay. Then I will tell the first tutorial about knife tool. I will give also introduction about knife tool also. So again, I will put this blur line here at center of the point and I will click the knife tool. When you click the knife tool, look at here. I want to take the straight 2 points line and as well as you have to take auto close on cut. Means you have to create a one object. Without this you cannot take any two objects over here. Okay. So you have to add this line. So like this kind of shift key you should have to take it and press it. Okay. Again I will show you. Okay. Like this. Okay, like that. Okay, so then I will take the pick tool over here, then I will click here, then I will this move tool. Okay, see, look at here, these two objects get cut. Okay, this is first object, this is second object. I want to delete this roll line, I will delete it. You have to press this keyboard key of delete key. Okay, then what? Then I will click here and I will go to the shape tool. Why shape tool? Look at here. This is our shape tool is clear. Then I will take here as a point and I will click as a 2 curve. You should have to take the 2 curve. Why 2 curve? Because I want to take this line as a curve position. So first of all, I will this last line I will put in front and this is last line I will take as a move backward over here like this. Okay, like that. Okay, then again you go to the pick tool. Look at here, this is my first object, I made it. Okay, then I want to delete this. You can delete this object. Then I want to take a duplicate, control D as a duplicate. This is one shortcut key of in Corridor. Okay, so here you press here and you have to take this mirror. First of all, you have to take the mirror horizontally like this. Then again you have to put it vertically like this. Okay, so again you should use like this. Okay, I will show you first. Okay, like this. Okay, then again you should choose like this. Okay, this is two color we are made. Then here you should use first for blue color here, then you choose here next red color over here. See, this is one new logo I made it. Okay, so what I want to do here, write the text. So go to text, I will type text here. What type of text? Oh yes, abhi. Okay, and you have to do like the exclamatories and I will increase this. Okay, oh yes, abhi. Put the correct value. Okay, yeah, I will click it and I will select it. Oh yes, abhi. See, okay, like this. Okay, I will select it small. Okay, like here. Then go to text over here, text option here. Then again you choose this, and I want to do give one name. Okay, so you give the name as a Pepsi. Pepsi. Okay, so yes, Abhi, Pepsi. Oh, oh yes, Abhi. Control D, duplicate. I will move it little bit here, and I will use the color of white. Look at here, I will clear it as a here, italic it. Okay, so we group it. Okay, okay, we have three dimension of Pepsi logo. Look at here. Suppose if you want to decrease the height, you can decrease it. Okay, I want to increase little bit, so I will increase it like this Pepsi. Okay, so it is my first logo, we made it. Okay, like this. So try this first logo and give me a comment how you can sort this logo, and tell about my review, what I am teaching right now. Okay, and give me certain comments. So I will show another one logo. Okay, what kind of logo we made, you know, all of you which logo we are made it. Okay, Control G is group, you can group it, and I will make one size is smaller. Okay, this is my first logo. Okay, what's about the next logo, we made it. Okay, I will go again, text over here. Okay, rich text. I will increase the size of the text. It's 100, I think so. And big bazaar. Okay, it is my new logo. You know, all of you which kind of logo we are made it right now. Okay, big bazaar. Okay, I think this size is okay. Okay, so I will go to here, area rounded board like this. Okay, then I will choose this rectangle. Okay, this is my rectangle. I will choose this rectangle. Right now you see this big bazaar get behind that rectangle. Okay, suppose I will choose this color, so this shape, this big bazaar text is behind from this shape. So what should you do? I will do it in none over here. Okay, and I want to do one logo of big bazaar. So what should I do? I'll go again from knife tool. Knife tool is very important. Okay guys, so 3 to 4 series I use the knife tools. Okay, so let's practice from knife tool and do very well. Okay, so I will cut from here. See, look at here, I cut here. Okay, then again I will go to the pick tool. Then here, this is two objects we made it. Look at it, this is the two objects we are made right now. So first we click on the object color is saffron color, orange, and next object color we give as a blue of this color. Again you have to use, you want to give this border color also, you can give the border color from this. Okay, this is my border color, I will choose it, and okay, and this is also I want to choose the border color. So I will go here and again take this, I choose this color. Okay, and okay, okay, like this. Then again what, the text is behind, so I want to bring the text in front. So control page down, look at it, control page down again. Okay, Then again you click here, then control page down. See, look at here. Our text get is front from this above the rectangle. Okay. So what should I do? I click here and go to the object, and I want to go power clip and place inside the frame. Okay, like this. Again, you click here, go to object and power clip, place inside the frame and click here. Okay, in middle object. So I am not, selection is not properly done. Okay, wait a minute. First of all, I select this, then go to object, power clip, place inside the frame like this. See, look at here. This is our new logo of bigbazzar. Okay. If you want another logo you have to tell, so we will give one logo also. First of all, I will make the group, Control G, reduce group, and you can reduce this size. So I will make two logos right now. First of all, Pepsi logo, and second one I made it bigbazzar logo. Practicing it and stay with our channel also, and like it, share, subscribe also. So we made another logo also here. So I will go to rectangle here. I will click on rectangle here. I draw rectangle like this. Look at here. I draw the rectangle like that. Okay. Then here I go to here. See envelope. Look at here. It is my envelope tool. I click here envelope tool, and here you drag this point at the center of this position of this rectangle. Okay, up to here. Okay, then again you go to the selection tool and Control D, again duplicate. You should take here as a grid length. Okay, and move from here like this. Okay, like this. Then again I go to the text, and I click here. First of all, I will increase the size of the text. I will take 100. Okay, and HP like this. Go to here, and here is italic. I will take the italic, then pick here, and I will move it into the center of the position of this text. Okay, then what? Select entire this and take as a blue color. Okay, then here also I want to be the blue color, so double click on here, go to here, pick this tool, eyedropper tool, and pick this color and okay it. See, my new logo, again we made a HP logo over here. Okay, this is our third logo, we made it. Okay, and you have to group it. Control G means group. So you can reduce this size also like this, and this is my third logo. Okay, so guys, today on this topic we made 3 logos. First of all, Pepsi logo, then bigbazzar logo, and then HP logo. So practicing it and stay with our channel. Give me a comment, subscribe it, share it, and for more informative video, another topic we made another logos. So share it, subscribe it. Thank you.